Yes guys, this is it.
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chatting. Bang, bang, boom.
Yes guys, what's up? And from you see the ingredients, tell us what you think we're going to do. So yes, we are doing another pastry video, and these are the ingredients. We have our sugar here, we have our peach, and we have our salt and cinnamon. Yes guys, so we'll be doing a peach cinnamon in a gizzard or short crust shell.
Take a look at the shell.
Yes guys, and that's how the shell is looking. So we're going to go over to the stove top and get this nice and cooked down or sauteed, however you would want to say it. So let's go.
Yes guys, so right now we're going to add in the peach.
Yes guys, I'll leave it down below in the comment section and tell us if you want to see us do more cake and pastry videos.
Sugar. Some cinnamon and salt.
Yes guys.
And we're adding just a generous amount, or just enough to cook this through.
Yes guys, and the peach that we're using is canned peach. So if you are using the peach fruit itself without it being poached already, be sure to add some liquid to it and allow it to poach and get softened before you come on the stove top and saute it, right? So
alright guys, so right now I'm gonna add some white wine to deglaze the pot.
yes guys,
Perfect, that's
just
it.
a little. And now we're going to allow all of this to come together nicely, right guys? So we're gonna see you guys again when this is coming together nicely and it's time for that removal. So forward. Yes guys, so this is it.
Look at that.
Yes guys,
Because basically we made a syrup to coat this. So right now we're gonna package this or fill the cups.
yes
so
guys, one going on. Yes guys,
I'm gonna bake this at 205 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
and for 15 minutes guys.
15 to 20 minutes to be precise.
Yes guys, and that's about it for that one. Look at that guys, lovely, right? So I'm going to catch a gif. We're going to catch in the back when we're putting these in the oven. So forward. Yes guys,
So guys, remember to bake this at 205 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll soon forward again when we give this a check or removal time.
so forward. Yes guys, look at that. Beautiful, right?
Basically the shell we need to check, ensure so it cook.
Yes guys,
Or you can feel it. Feel like it can take some more baking.
but it's coming along nicely.
To reach the 10-minute margin, we'll just get a random check.
Yes guys, so the 5 more minutes we'll do it, right? So forward. Yes guys, time to give it that final check.
And after when you have a check at the time up guys, and as you can see around the edges,
Yes,
slightly brown, and that's how
this is how it's supposed
the
to
filling
look
coming
guys.
together nicely. So when this cool now, you know, it's like become like a syrup.
Yes guys, so we're going to allow this to cool down and then we get on with the plating, but until then, so forward.
Soon forward.
Yes guys, so this is it. This is the final. Look at that. Remember, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Yes guys, this is it. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoy the video. So until next time,
Bang, bang, boom.
we're out.